Got today what will hopefully be a quick project. My wife's 2010 Subaru Legacy had the idler pulley seize up with the bearings had failed on that little guy, which then caused the drive belt to shred up. So she was dead in the water, so to speak. And so I have a new idler pulley and the replacement belt ready to go. Those were in stock in my local O'Reilly's Auto Parts store. I'm sure you can get them just about anywhere, but I was able to get them right away. So that was pretty awesome. Now you'll notice that the bracket here that the idler pulley mounts to, which is the air conditioning compressor bracket, you'll notice that that looks brand new because that got destroyed as well. If you want a longer version of the video on how to replace the AC compressor bracket, I've got a separate video on this. This one's just going to focus on the replacing the idler pulley and installing the new belt. The idler pulley just sits on that AC compressor bracket easily. Bolt threads in through the front of it like you see. Not anything exciting there. I guess point on torque is not to torque it down to where it compresses the bearings so it spins freely. So you want kind of snug but free rolling, if you know what I mean. The idler pulley is snugged in there nicely, not too firm, was free spinning nicely. I spent a good 15 minutes probably fighting the serpentine belt to get that lined up. Of course, this is the tensioner pulley. You rotate that clockwise to take the to give it some slack so you can pull it over the alternator. Otherwise it's pretty straightforward, I believe. So I think I've got all the belt all in the grooves properly and serpentined around the pulleys in the right direction. So about all there is left to do at this point is I'll put the cover back over all that and find the keys. We'll fire this thing up, make sure she's good to go. All right, she's all fired up. Idler pulley sounds quiet. Belt seems to be in place okay. So I think we're good to go. I'll take her for a spin around the block. And hey, if this was helpful or you liked it or whatever, it's my first YouTube video, so give it a thumbs up. And we'll see if I can get some more stuff out there that's helpful.